I'm the first person to drive it. All right, let's see how we can connect.
She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. Get my old plug, I get it in and go. Try to owe me something, better pay your toll. Hey, hey, I lit the spoon and I spread the.
Good morning. It is Sunday, the 18th, and it's a very special day. Today we get our car. I'm so excited. I'm making breakfast. Hendrix is eating his food. I do have a baby shower to go to around 12:30. I'll probably be a little bit late because I'm riding with my best friend and she gets out of church at 12:30. So we'll see what time we make it there. And then we get to see our baby. I think they're probably gonna be here like around 3 or 4ish. Hopefully they make it after I'm back so I can kind of show y'all the car arriving and things like that. But I'm so excited. I cannot wait. It's been so long. It's been a long time coming since we had our car broke in July. So it is now January. Thank God. Thank God. But yeah, about to make this breakfast and then probably get in bed for a little bit longer. We are on the way to go get our new car. We have to go meet them at the truck stop because we live in the country and the roads he wouldn't be able to get through. So excited about it. And then we gotta go bring this truck back. Look at the other car up there. How it's just like, that's crazy. Yes. guys, so this is a new car. So this was our older one, which I loved. I always loved the grill. Just always looked so good. Again, we have some work, but this is our new baby. It's pretty much almost the same, just a little bit more updated. It did come from Virginia, so we definitely need to clean it. It's a little dusty, but this is her. I am about to put some things in here to see how they work. I am completely in love with the brown interior. So I'm just sitting here. Wow, let me see if I can put this one more. We'll just set it right here. Oh, well, no. Okay, we'll set it right there. But okay, so yeah, we got the car. I'm just in the driveway. I'm about to install some things. So once again, I got like a little LED, the little LED mirror. My boyfriend was like, "Yeah, I already have a mirror in there." I'm like, "Yeah, that's cool, but this mirror is just way better." So let's see. I don't know how to put this on. God dang. Okay. Okay, so I'm assuming that it just goes. Oh no, it probably goes like this. How does this go? Girl, I don't know. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Hold on. Are there instructions? Okay, they do have instructions. So, let me TikTok it. Okay, this is the exact same one I have too. She's definitely from New Orleans.
1 + 1 is 2. We know how to put this together.
1 + 1, not 2, girl.
Y'all should be able to see me. And then turn it around.
I might just let my boyfriend do this one.
Just take your plastic off, and voila.
Girl, this should be easier than what.
Light is light. It's giving what it is.
Do I take this all the way out though? Let's see.
Come and thank me in the car.
Let's see if this works differently. I think this is how it goes. Okay. But what does it snap to? I am so lost. Oh, maybe it goes like this. Let's see. This way. No, that doesn't work either. Okay, so I gave up on the mirror for now. I'll see if my boyfriend will help me with it. Cause I don't understand like what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, so I am on my way. I need to go get a couple of things from the grocery store. I think I'm gonna go to the Piggly Wiggly down the street because I don't want to drive all the way to Lafayette, which is probably like 10-15 minutes, but I hate driving. But we're gonna go there, y'all. So I put this on and it took everything in me to squeeze into this, y'all, like, cause it's like that compression. But why is it on backwards? Like, so I was gonna plan on wearing a jacket anyway, so that's fine with me. I'm not taking it off. It's squeezing back in. Next time I take it off is when it's coming off. So one moment.
They said that I wouldn't. I go bananas like cookies and pudding. I'm about to bubble like soda when shook. And I'm dressed in the best cause I know they be nooking. These rappers are food and that's why I be cooking. You can't pull no strings and I just keep it pushing. B.I.G. but I was double in Brooklyn. I treat him like cushion. I did out of shushing. I beat the beat.
At the stop sign, turn left.
I'm straight as an arrow. My Gucci hair crooked. I've been getting money off just like overhand. I'm about to draw like the car.
In half a mile, turn left onto Towson Road.
It's raining.
Closed. I was about to say, yeah, we could watch stuff on there. We could upload it with the USB. Because I clicked video on that.
My YouTube channel on there.
They got whack ass Fast and the Furious on ya. I went to video. They was playing Fast and the Furious. Well, that's so cardy.
I ain't never even saw that. Alright. I made a TikTok and I didn't know how to put this on, but now I think I know how to put it on. Alright, I think I know how now. Alright, I got one side. Figure it out. So anybody that's looking to install this, you do this. Oh wait. And then you fish it in here. Nothing coming.
And them boy wash cars over there too. So the oil change place.
Oh.
Like $7 for the cheapest. 16 for the most expensive. So
Back. And now okay, y'all, it is Friday. I got off early today. I wanted to go to Alta, but I don't think we're gonna make it to Alta. We are going to my mom's house so they can see the new car, and then get like some water and some tissue for the house because of this storm is coming. But other than that, that's all. So I'm gonna just take y'all along. Connect my phone so we can see if what your phone do. Yeah, it was this button right here that I kept pressing. And you see how on the dash right there it says Bluetooth audio player connected? That's what you need to see at the top.
yeah, it kept saying not connected.
It said what?
It was saying not connected.
Not connected, yeah. So this is what I pressed. Media. You see how it says Bluetooth? You press media again at Bluetooth. Let's see. See how it changed?
Yeah, as it was on.
And it have aux. And so you want to have it as Bluetooth. That should be yours.
See when the music came out today.
And your CarPlay should connect.
Yeah, I don't even
Please
care if
connect
that
your-
come on and shit. As long as I could play some music. Cause this was coming on.
Let's see. Please connect your phone. Try to go connect to this right here. In the Bluetooth thing.
Yeah, that's how you do the mirroring. If you ever want, you push that button. I just want to switch from CarPlay to wireless mirror.
Okay.
Man, it's crazy. Everything working now. That's whack. It wouldn't even really want to connect to that.
Let's see the play.
Had to forget the device and all kind of shit.
Like the Bluetooth. So that's the gist of like doing the audio. So we want to make sure that the Bluetooth connected to the car is on, and then if it comes to this and it don't connect, just reconnect to the Bluetooth CarPlay thing.
That thing must be on whack. Well, now it's doing like that again.
All right.
Or probably because it's connected.
It's connected.
It's playing on my phone.
So yeah. All right, now press play. There you go.
Good ass, no better. She shake it like that, but he show him.
Like this or like that?
Do it like this. VS32. Yes, ma'am.
Almost like my mom.
So it's not dead.
Can't see the speed right now.
I'm mad that I can't see how I'm doing this right here. I can't do that right there. Well, I'm there, but I had it like right there, so it's like at an angle to me or whatever, but this in a way. Oh, that is my good side too. Yeah, you could probably feel it.
Yeah, we're gonna sit in this one.